Every day, thousands of new creators upload their first video. The vast majority disappear into the noise, but occasionally, a brand new channel takes off. It is easy to look at those outliers and assume the platform handpicks certain creators for success, or that hitting the homepage requires a lucky roll of the dice. The reality is strictly mechanical. YouTube operates as a massive sorting machine. It measures specific, trackable viewer behaviors to decide exactly which videos get pushed and which get buried. You do not have to wait for the algorithm to notice you. You can engineer your video from the ground up to trigger the exact metrics it demands. To do this, you need two things in front of you: your YouTube Studio dashboard and the working script for your next upload. By hitting these precise data thresholds, we stop guessing what the audience wants, and we give the sorting machine exactly what it needs to accelerate your channel. Step 1 is defining your boundaries. You must establish a constant topic. Look at this visual comparison. On the left, a channel uploading gaming clips on Monday and cooking tutorials on Wednesday. On the right, a tightly focused catalog serving one specific interest. When you upload wildly different topics, the system gathers conflicting viewer data. It cannot identify who your core audience is, so it stops recommending your videos altogether. Step 2 is the 1,000 impression test. This is how the system determines if your video is actually worth clicking. This diagram outlines the initial test. When you hit publish, the platform takes your thumbnail and puts it in front of a sample audience, a network of 1,000 users. Watch the connections. If 700 of those viewers scroll past your title without clicking, the test fails. The system records the low click-through rate. Your video is marked as unpromotable, the reach is throttled, and the upload is effectively dead on arrival. To prevent this, draft 3 entirely different, high-curiosity title and thumbnail combinations before you even set up your camera. Earning that initial click is the mandatory entry fee. If you failed to get the viewer through the door, the actual quality of your video does not matter. Step 3 kicks in the moment they click. You have exactly 45 seconds to keep them from leaving. Take a look at this retention graph. When a viewer clicks a strong thumbnail, but the video starts slowly, the attention line crashes towards 0 almost immediately. The system logs this as a deceptive hook and halts promotion. The fix for this happens right in the script. You must aggressively cut all non-essential filler, long intros, and meandering context from your first 45 seconds. Step 4 is session time. This is the metric the system values above almost everything else. Session time tracks consecutive views. As not out here, it measures your ability to get a viewer to finish one video, then immediately step into 2 or 3 more uploads from your channel. You build this loop by scripting a seamless transition at the end of your video, verbally directing the viewer to a highly relevant playlist on your end screen. Step 5 is capturing measurable feedback. The platform calls this viewer satisfaction. Stop using generic sign-offs. Ask a specific, targeted question related to the topic that forces the audience down into the comment section to answer. Hold their attention past the first 45 seconds, loop them into a multi-video binge session, and collect their comments. When you log these exact actions, the system flags your channel as a high-value asset and pushes your content to the homepage. Let's review the complete checklist: consistent niche, clickable thumbnail, 45-second hook, session time loop, engagement prompt. These individual metrics form a single operational strategy. Hitting 1 or 2 of these points keeps your channel afloat. Executing all 5 simultaneously is how a channel accelerates rapidly through the platform's ranks. Pull up your current working draft. Run it through this exact audit right now. If the hook is weak, cut it. If the title doesn't create curiosity, rewrite it. Fix the gaps in your workflow before you press record. Algorithmic success is an engineered certainty for creators who respect the data. Identify which of these 5 steps is currently your weakest link, and let me know in the comments below.